Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a resume template for totally free. We are going to do that on this canva.com website, and just open it up and you will have to create an account and you will end up on this page. And on this page, we want to literally type in resume, just like this, and click on enter. As you can see, we will end up right here on this page. And there are lots and lots of different templates, but although most of them are free, not all of them are. So I'm going to show you guys how to check if they're free or not. So we're going to do that right now. You just want to open up any template. It doesn't really matter, because this will open up the editor. And once you're here in the editor, you can see that there are also different themes now that have shown up. So yeah, you can click on any theme you want. So I'm just gonna click on the professional resume, click on see all, and you'll end up on this page. And as you can see, these will say free in capital letters at the bottom right corner of the template. But this one we have actually selected, as you can see, is not free. So yeah, you just gotta look out for that, and yeah, select just a free one you like. For example, I'm going to choose this one, since this one also has a photo, but I'm going to show you guys how to change that, because that's very important. And yeah, so I'm going to zoom in a bit, just like this, so we can see everything a bit better, maybe a bit more to, yes, like this. So we want to change our name, so we're going to change it to Ryan, and then to Brian, just like this. We can also change our job. So for example, yeah, let's just do YouTuber, because yeah, I'm a YouTuber, just like that. And get in contact, personal profile, yeah, you can just write a quick description right here. Yeah, change everything up to your liking. Yeah, you can literally customize every single thing in this template. And yeah, we can also change this color up if we want to have it red, for example. Although, as you can see, most of the stuff is blue, and I think blue is, yeah, is maybe the cleanest color to use for this type of stuff. But you can change it to, for example, red or purple or orange, and yeah, you can just change it to your liking. And what I'm going to show you guys right now is how to change this photo, because with the color you can literally just click on this and change the color, but that is not the case with the photo. With the photo, you want to go to uploads on the left, and yeah, I've just some random pictures already uploaded, because yeah, I just used it for some other tutorial. This is just some stuff I had on my computer. So for example, let's just say this is the profile picture. We just want to hold it and drag and drop it onto this photo, and as you can see, it completely changes. And you can do this with every photo you like. As you can see, you can change it to whatever you want, and that is basically all you have to do. And yeah, that is basically it. So once you're completely done with your resume and you want to save it, what you want to do is click on this download button at the top. And if you click on download, the current file type is selected on PDF print, and it says suggested. So I do recommend just leaving it on the suggested file type. But if you really don't want that, you can just click on it and select JPEG or PNG or yeah, whatever you want. But I'm just gonna leave it on PDF print, and then click on download. It says preparing your design, and we have to wait a few seconds, and it has been downloaded. So as you can see, here's a sort of quick preview on how it looks, and we can also just open it up. And this is our resume. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do, and I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.